That does got plenty big. He does got points. Damn!
Yes. Yes.
Why don't you pass me a box cut or something? That little yellow knife is over there. Wow, I suck.
Oh god.
What? Screw this. This is like going nowhere. Yeah, look, you have more bags to put your trash in, Jordan. Ow. Steph, don't leave us. Yeah, we know. Jordan has a plenty of crap little box.
There's boxes in the garage.
Yeah.
We folded them up because he's gonna be using those.
Open it.
Like there was a remote in this thing.
I wish.
Oh wow, yours does look. This one does look nicer than the other one I got. Oh wait, but the antenna's loose. Maybe get a screwdriver or something. There's no batteries in it. Oh no, there is. But the screen is stuck.
Oh wow.
So it is. So without the remote, it can't do anything.
Yep.
And no, actually no, mine's in probably better shape than yours. Cause look.
Oh wow. Are you sure there's no remote? There might be. So yeah, that's Space Robot, and he's just for display because I won't have a remote for it anytime soon.
Neither would I for mine.
Unfortunately. It can just be in my room with the lights on all day. Just like
Well, yours
Chris,
is lower, it's
just like Chris is rad.
My God.
So yeah, that's it for this video.